Hi there, students. Catechism and catechesis. Okay, let's see. This is a set of religious instructions. It's a religious instruction for to teach people the beliefs of Christianism. When people get confirmed or baptized as well, when they join the church, particularly in the Catholic religion, they have to go through a catechism or catechesis, and this catechism is a book or a basic manual. It's a set of questions which they need to be able to answer. It's like a question and answer session, and you need to know all the answers. Like that, then you can become part of the church. Catechesis or a catechism is a text summarizing these principles, normally in the form of question and answer, and it's a formal indoctrination. So it's basically teaching people the fundamental beliefs of being a Christian. But nowadays we use this phrase catechism or catechesis. We can use this for other things as well. It's the catechesis would be the fundamental principles of something. So let's see, as an English teacher, I would say the Catechism of English is learning how to use your tenses, your auxiliary and modal verbs. And for me, that is part of the Catechism of English. Or perhaps if you are a lawyer, you need to learn the catechism of what to do in court, the fundamental principles, the fundamental beliefs, or the fundamental things that you must do or must believe in if you're going to be a lawyer in court. Now, catechism is normally used for things that are accepted uncritically. This is something dogmatic that you've just got to learn because it is like that. I don't know if you at school, the catechism of being at a certain school. Well, let's see. You've got to be nice to people. You've got no fighting, being quiet in class. Yeah, and that is the idea of a catechism. I mean, the basic idea is a series of questions and answer, and the priest or the person giving the catechism asks the questions, and the student needs to know the answers. And they use this to teach it. But catechism is, I would say, the dogmatic beliefs that you need to know to be part of any group. So I don't know, what is the catechism of being a supporter of a certain team? Well, you probably need to know the songs that they sing at matches, or you need to know the players, or various different pieces of information, and that would be the catechism. Something that you learn by heart. Let's see, if you're a chef, maybe you need to learn the catechism of cookery. What ingredients go in what dish? I think it's up to you the amounts, but the catechism is what you put in it. It's like an exam. It's like knowing the ideology of something. So you need to learn your catechism if you want to become part of the group. Let's see. I think if you want to obtain British nationality, I think you have to pass an exam about about the UK. It's quite a difficult exam, and that maybe is like a catechism, that you need to know the general knowledge about the UK. So why is the 5th of November important? Because it's Guy Fawkes Night. Why is Boxing Day called Boxing Day? And this would be a catechism as well. These are the things that you've got to know. You've got to learn if you're going to pass. So a catechism, it's a series of beliefs or a series of doctrines that you need to know in order to be a fully fledged member of a certain group. Originally it's of Christianity, but I think nowadays it goes a lot further than that. I think maybe a policeman needs to know his catechism, but his catechism of the rules and regulations of what he can and can't do. I would guess the law is the catechism for a policeman, and what the police are and are not allowed to do. That would be another type of catechism. Okay, as to formality, this is quite a high formality word. I think I'd give it 6.5 to 7 in formality. And as to origin, it comes from ancient Greek katechismos, to catechize, to instruct, to teach by word of mouth. Kata, down, and ekeo, to sound, to resound. So it's learning by sound, question and answer, and that's the idea. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Catechesis, catechism.